Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis video on Tuesday 27th of November with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at cable, which has had another leg lower today. We had these comments from Trump, which doesn't bode especially well for the UK. Personally, I think he's just sort of stirring it in the fact that he's sort of looking at the fact that UK could potentially end up in a customs union that would potentially impact on maybe trade deals going forward. But if you look at what he actually said, he didn't say anything significantly negative, although the market has pounced on it, I think, this morning. Turning lower, below that reaction low from last week, 27.60. Seems to be a bit of a near-term breakdown, certainly. 27.20 is the next sort of test of for that November low, and it looks as though cable is still tracking lower, and you certainly point towards 27.60 to 27.85, 90 area being a near-term sell zone now. I think you look on this chart and you can see 28 figure down to 27.60 sort of basis of overhead supply on a near-term basis. Any sort of unwinding move back into that, I think, is likely to flounder really. Then it certainly still looks as though that the market is unwilling to really back sterling in this whole Brexit situation. So that's I think a key negative bias mover on that. And what we have got is just the continued line of lower highs and then now pushing on lower lows on cable on this chart. You've got this downtrend intact. That downtrend comes in today, 28.70 area, but momentum indicator is negatively configured, and I think it is still positioning for a test of that 26.60 low, potentially 26.95. All these lows from across August, October, November, likely to be tested, I think, in the coming weeks as Brexit really goes through the ringer. Anyway, so I will wish you good luck in trading today, and I'll speak to you later.